Hello, my name is Omar and I'm a programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to keep a web page scrolling horizontally instead of vertically. I'm not going to show you the best way to do it because that becomes very in-depth, but I'm going to show you how to do it very quick and very easily using CSS and divs. So let's look ahead at the HTML file I have set up. So what I do is I create a div, the main div here, which I set really wide. Right now I have it to 10,000 pixels. So this makes a really wide div. And then every other div I have it set to float left. I forgot to add a semicolon here. So every div that I put inside of the main div is going to float left. And then as it's filling up the div, it'll just increase to the right side and just keep on going to the right instead of falling down further down the page. And that's one way you can get around the whole vertical page structure if you want to be artistic or something like that. This is just a quick and easy way to do it, and I hope you found it informative. Have a good day.